Hello! Here with Motorcycling, back with another video for you today. Today I'm going to be unboxing some of the discs that I'm going to be using this year. I've decided that I'm going to be doing a tournament this year, one tournament only. It's a big one. It's in August. It's the Ledgestone Insurance Open. And I decided to get some discs for the season and try them out, just like I do every season. Some of these I've had opened them before, but I wanted to show you guys all the discs that I've gotten for this season. One of my friends recommended that I get a Hades, so there's some Hades in here. So we're going to open the ones that I have opened, and then there's ones that I have not opened. So let's get started. Alright, this pile of discs, it's my mail call. Haven't had a mail call in a while for a new disc. Last year I tried some new ones, but this year it's going to be a whole different ballgame. So these are some of the ones. I'm excited about these. The first two discs are going to be two different Undertakers. They're both ESP plastic. I normally throw Z plastic in Discraft, but I want to try ESP. One of you guys recommended that I use an Undertaker a couple years ago, and I had the Z plastic. And that, I threw that disc for a while. It's super straight in the Z plastic. So I want to try ESP and see if I can beat these in and have it fly a little bit more understable for me. But yeah, so there's the two. I love these new I'm not sure what they're called, but these swirly ones, they look swirlies to me. They look really nice. So I'm excited about that. Next one is some heats. So got myself two Z heats. I believe the heat just came out maybe last year or this year. Either way, these are super understable. I actually do not have a roller in my arsenal of weapons. So wanted to get a roller disc by Discraft, and they finally have the heat, which is really nice because I'm going to learn how to throw rollers this year. So looking forward to that. And then next are Raptors. So I normally don't throw overstable plastics, but I need an overstable plastic that is in the fairway driver range, and that's what these two are. That's made by Discraft, and that's not a Predator, because a Predator is too overstable for me. So I'm trying the Raptors this year. These are the ESP Raptor. This is a turtle skin stamp, and this is the rainbow one. I like the rainbow stamps on the Discraft disc. So looking forward to throwing these. And that does it for this bag. Next is going to be this box right here. Still tape on this thing. Hold on. So hope everyone's doing well during the COVID times here. I've been working a lot. My job requires me to continue working during COVID. So, alright, this next box, bunch of Hades. I love these nice pastel colors that Discraft has got going on now. This is not the prototype. This is just the Paul Macbeth Hades. I like bright colors. Again, ESP plastic. So you're going to notice that this year I'm going to be throwing a lot of ESP plastic versus the Z plastic. It has more grip, in my opinion, especially these new ESP Paul Macbeth lineup. So there's two right here, and this was recommended. They're very lightweight. They're 162, 163, so these are pretty understable. My arm can throw pretty well now, so these fly understable for me. It's nice that I can put on a hyzer. It flips up, goes to the right a little bit, and then comes back, so these go really far. So looking forward to throwing those. Have not thrown the sole, so got myself one sole just to try it out. It's an understable mid-range. And the Z plastic, I don't know if these come in ESP. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. Maybe one of you guys can tell me. But this is the Page Pierce sole. Looking forward to throwing that. The next disc I got is an AVR 3. I actually like AVRs. I putt with Macpro AVRs, so I figure I'm going to try a full lineup of driving putters in different forms of AVRs this year. So AVR 3, a little bit more stable putter driver. The Tour Series AVR. One of you told me that the Macpro AVRs, when Paul Macbeth moved from Innova to Discraft. They no longer make the Macpro AVRs, but they had the Tour series, so I bought one just to try out this year. It actually does feel like the Macpro AVRs, and I actually like this cool looking color, so I got one for myself this year. Then the classic AVR. I need an understable driving putter, so I'm going to try this one this year. I actually have not thrown a classic AVR, so this is what I bought. So this all came in all in one lot here. Then some zones. For the longest time, the Z zones were on back order or something. Found a couple of these on eBay, so I picked some up. I actually like the flat profile of this putter. It's probably going to be used more for as a mid-range. It's a very overstable mid-range. The thing is that I have actually never thrown one, so I figure I tried one. I tried a couple, a blue one and a pink one. So found these on eBay, so looking forward to using that this year as an overstable putter driver. All right, moving on to the discs that I have not opened. So let me get out a knife to get these here. I'm actually going to put this box back like so. So we have a little table here, so you guys can see. Okay, first one. Be safe with knives. Don't hurt yourself with knives. Let's see here. I have no idea which discs these are. Okay, got 2 discs. Let's put that to the side. 2 discs in here. Ooh, this looks nice. Oh my goodness, and a mini. That is awesome. I actually only have one mini, and it's a black Innova driver, and my favorite color is green. So this is a nice surprise that I got a green mini inside the box here. That's awesome. That is flipping awesome. Came with the order. All right, these are some Page Pierce 5-time nukes. I love these colors. Love, love, love these colors. Ooh, that is domey. I love the nuke. I've been throwing in the nuke since it came out, I believe, in, gosh, I think 2013. 2013 is when the nuke came out, 2012, 2013, something like that. And been loving the nuke ever since, and I needed some ESP nukes. The only ESP nukes I have are the ones from 2013, or the first run, and they're so beat up. So I had some Z nukes, but I wanted some ESP plastic, and finally found them online. So these colors are amazing. That is some nice nukes. Oh man, I love this plastic. I love the color that Discraft has now on their discs. And they're both the rainbow stamps. So loving those. All right, moving on to the next one. Yeah, so hope everyone's doing well during this pandemic. All right, the next one is an ESP Heat. Oh, that is domey beat up. So yeah, so I have 2 Z Heats, and I wanted an ESP Heat, and so I found this online. It's used. Let's not flip it over again. A used one. I can't find a brand new one, so I bought a used one on eBay. So looking forward. This is probably going to be the roller, because this feels really understable. All right, next one. Boom. Let's see here. This one is also wrapped. Wow. Oh my goodness. We got super wrapping here. Super wrapping. Ooh, what is this? Oh, that is super nice. This is an Esp Zone with a hand dye job, or dye job. So yeah, that's an Esp Zone. That is a flat profile. Again, got some Z plastics in these, so now this is 3 zones that I own, and wanted some ESP to see how grippy it is, and it's pretty grippy. I like this plastic. That's nice. That's an Esp Zone. Dyed Esp Zone. All right, the next one. Let's see here. Last one, guys. Last one. Mail call. Ooh. All right, let's see what's going on with this one. And we got, oh yes, a Paul Macbeth 5-time yellow buzz. That is a nice bright yellow. Love that. This is a lightweight one, 167 to 169. So most buzz that I find online are heavy buzz, and I wanted a lightweight one, so I finally found it in an Esp. And they're kind of out of stock, actually, so I had to go on eBay to get this one. But this is a nice bright yellow. I'm loving it. This feels great, and this is actually almost concave. It's not. It's flat to concave, so this is probably going to be. I'm not sure if this is going to be. This might be understable, which is fine. I need an unstable buzz, anyways. So alright, so my next video is going to be an in the bag video, so you guys can see how all this is going to be laid out. Let me just show you all the discs here. Here we go. This is the stack of discs to start the season off. There you go. There's a stack of discs. Hopefully you guys can see that. And let's get this season started. I'm going to go do an in the bag video, and hope you guys have a good day, and hope everybody's doing well with the pandemic. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.